Hello students, now we will solve this problem of sales book of Ganesh Electronics, Calcutta, West Bengal, assuming CGST at 9% and SGST at 9%. January 3rd, sold to Ruchika Electronics, Calcutta, invoice number 431, 5 color TV sets at rupees 20,000 each, less trade discount 20%. 10th January, sold to Garima Electronics, Patna, Bihar, invoice number 432, 10 washing machines at rupees 8,000 each, less trade discount 25%. Sold to Raghav and Sons, Calcutta, cash memo number 252510, 6 color TV sets at rupees 18,000 each, less trade discount 15%. This entry of selling goods to Raghav and Sons is a cash transaction, as cash memo is prepared here and cash transactions will not be recorded in the sales book. Okay, so we have to skip this entry of Raghav and Sons. 16th January, sold to Nitin Trading Company, Ranchi, Jharkhand, invoice number 433, 8 music systems at rupees 15,000 each and 10 color TV sets at rupees 22,000 each, less trade discount 20%. Okay, in these 3 entries there will be CGST and SGST in first entry because the goods are sold to the Ruchika Electronics in Calcutta only, but in entry of 10th January and entry of 16th January there will be IGST because that is interstate transaction. Okay, so let's start now. Let's prepare the sales book. So now let's prepare sales book of Ganesh Electronics. This is sales book, date, particulars, that is name of the customer, account to be debited. आपल्याला माहिती आहे की ज्यावेळेला आपण गुड्स सोल्ड करतो क्रेडिट सेल त्यावेळेला पार्टीचा अकाउंट डेबिट करतो. इनवॉइस नंबर LF, डिटेल्स रुपीज टू मेक द कॅल्क्युलेशन्स, सेल्स, ओरिजिनल सेल्स अमाउंट, आउटपुट CGST, आउटपुट SGST, output IGST for transaction between 2 states and total amounts. Okay, so let's start now. First entry is of selling goods to Ruchika Electronics, invoice number and other details are given. 5 color TV sets at rupees 20,000 each. Okay, so 2018 January 3rd, Ruchika Electronics five color TV sets at rupees 20,000 each. Okay, so 20,000 into 5, that is rupees 1 lakh. So 1 lakh less trade discount is 20%, so less trade discount 20%. 20% of 1 lakh will be 20,000, so we will deduct 20,000 from 1 lakh and amount will be 80,000. And now we have to add CGST and SGST at 9%, so add 9%. 9% of 80,000 is 7,200. 7,200. So it will be 94,400. 94,400. Okay, this amount is final. Out of this amount, 80,000 is of sales, 7,200 output CGST, 7,200 output SGST, output IGST nil, and total amount is 94,400. Okay, so this is the first party. Now on January 10th, sold to Garima Electronics, Patna, Bihar. So this transaction is between two states. Here we have to write the invoice number. 431 is given here. 431 नॉर्मली दिलेला नसतो, दिलेला असतो त्यावेळेला लिहावा लागेल. गरिमा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, इथे पण इन्व्हॉइस नंबर दिलेला आहे. 10 वॉशिंग मशीन्स ॲट ₹8,000 ईच. ओके, सो गरिमा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, पटना, बिहार. Details are 10 washing machines, at ₹8,000 each. Okay, so 8,000 into 10, that is 80,000. 80,000. Understood? Now there is a trade discount of 25%. So less trade discount 25%. 25% of 80,000 will be 20,000. So amount will be 60,000 now. And now we have to add here 18% IGST. So add because this is the transaction between two states. 18% of 60,000 is 10,800. So total amount is 70,800. Okay, from 70,800, 60,000 is amount of sales. No output CGST or output SGST. Output IGST will be 18%, that is 10,800, and total amount is 70,800. Okay, now the next transaction, we have to skip the transaction of 12th January as it is a cash transaction. So now January 16th. See the transaction, sold to Nitin Trading Company, Ranchi, Jharkhand. Again here invoice number लिहायचा विसरते मी. 432 it is. Invoice number 433. 8 music systems at ₹15,000 each and 10 color TV sets at ₹22,000 each, and trade discount is 20%. And again this is a transaction between two different states, so output IGST will be applied. Okay, so let's write it here. Nitin Trading Company, Ranchi, Jharkhand. Invoice number 433. Okay, 8 music systems at ₹15,000 each. So 15,000 into 8, it will be 1,20,000. Now 10 color TV sets at ₹22,000 each. So 22,000 into 10, that is 2,20,000. So total amount is 3,40,000. Now less trade discount 20%. 20% of 3,40,000 will be 68,000. So let's deduct this amount. $2,72,000, and now we have to add output IGST. So add IGST 18%. 18% of 2,72,000 is 48,960. So total amount is 3,20,960. Out of 3,20,960, original amount of sale is 2,72,000. No CGST or SGST, and IGST is 48,960. Total amount is 3,20,960. Okay, and now just like last problem, we don't have any space for making total. I will do it here. So here on the last date of January, that is January 31st, हे जे आहे ते याच्या कंटिन्युएशनमध्ये आहे असं समजा. त्यामुळे सगळ्या ट्रान्झॅक्शन झाल्यावर रेश असणार आहे. वी हॅव टू ड्रॉ अ लाईन हियर. So on 31st January, total so this is the detail column, and total of this column will be 4,12,000. Total output CGST 7,200, SGST 7,200. Total IGST is 59,760. That is total of 10,848,960. And total of last column will be 4,86,160. Okay, we have to write in this way. शेवटी आपल्याला सेल्स बुक टॅली केल्यानंतर अशा पद्धतीने आपल्याला लिहावं लागेल. ओके, सो हियर when we do posting into ledger, see here, Ruchika Electronics will be debited with rupees 94,400. Garima Electronics will be debited by rupees 70,800. Nitin Trading Company will be debited by rupees 3,20,960. And sales account will be credited by the total amount 4,12,000. Output CGST account will be credited with 7,200. Output SGST will be credited by 7,200. Output IGST will be credited with 59,760. ओके, सो इथे मी लिहिते तुम्हाला समजण्यासाठी. परचेस बुक रेफर करून तुम्ही लेजर अकाउंट्स प्रिपेअर करू शकता. अदरवाइज इन नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लेम वी विल post the items from sales book into ledger. So here at the time of posting into ledger. Ruchika Electronics will be debited with 94,400 rupees. Okay. Then second is Garima Electronics, 70,800. Will be debited with rupees, आत्ता मी सांगितल्याप्रमाणे 70,800. नेक्स्ट पार्टी इज नितीन ट्रेडिंग कंपनी, 3,20,960. $3,20,960. Sales account will be credited with rupees 4,12,000. Okay. Then output CGST and output SGST account will be credited with rupees 7,200, 7,200. And lastly, output IGST will be credited with rupees 59,760 rupees. Okay. In this way we have to make posting into ledger of this sales book. You can try this. In next problem I will teach you how to post these transactions into ledger from sales book. Okay. So now solve this problem in your notebook systematically, and if there is any doubt you can ask. That's all.